Excuse me, could you please help me? I just arrived on the train from London, and I need to change trains here to go to Liverpool. Do you know which platform I need?
Of course, I can check that for you right now on my system. What time is your connecting train to Liverpool scheduled to depart?
It is supposed to leave at 3:45 p.m. I am a bit worried because my first train arrived 5 minutes late.
Let me see. Yes, the 3:45 p.m. service to Liverpool usually leaves from platform 9B. To get there, you need to go down those stairs, walk through the underpass, and then go back up the stairs on the other side.
I have two heavy suitcases with me. Is there an elevator or a lift I can use instead of the stairs?
Yes, certainly. There is a lift right next to the stairs. Just follow the signs for platform 9. It will take you directly to the underpass and then up to the correct platform.
Thank you. How long do you think it will take me to get all the way there with my luggage?
It should take you about 5 to 7 minutes. But don't worry, your Liverpool train is currently delayed by about 10 minutes. You have plenty of time.
Oh, it is delayed? That is actually good news for me. But wait, if this train is delayed, will I still be able to make my next connection in Liverpool? Or will I miss it?
Let me check the connection for you. Yes, the train in Liverpool is also running 8 minutes behind schedule today. It looks like the whole line is a bit slow. You should be perfectly fine.
That is a huge relief. I was very stressed about being late. Since I have some extra time now, is there a cafe or a place to buy a drink on platform 9?
Yes, there is a small coffee shop and a new stand right on the platform. You can buy a coffee and a sandwich while you wait for your train to arrive.
Perfect. I haven't had lunch yet, so that is great. Thank you so much for your help and for checking the times for me.
You are very welcome. It is no problem at all. Just keep an eye on the departure boards for any more updates. Have a safe and pleasant journey.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.